Hello, my sailor friends and all mariner guys. Welcome to MEO Insight. After your first sailing, be a fourth engineer. You people must need to clear MEO Class 4B exam, which is 6 written and 4 oral exam for getting COC. It's not a easy task. You need to study each and everything about marine engineering. Friends, here we try to cover mostly asked by MMD surveyor in Kolkata, Delhi, Visakhapatnam, etc. in last 5 years. So guys, subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. We will discuss in the comment section. Today we are discuss about oral exam. Its function 3, that's mean safety. Its full name is COSCPOOL, COSPOOL, that's mean controlling operational of ship and care of person on board at operational level. Now inside this safety we need to study number 1 NA, its naval architecture, number 2 SC, ship construction, number 3 SOLAS, number 4 MARPOL, number 5 LSA and FFA, firefighting appliances. Let's go to starting from NA. Now question number 1, what is TPC? TPC means tonnage per centimeter. This is the mass that added or removed from the ship to change the draft by 1 centimeter. For an example, TPC equal to 30 means if 30 ton weight added or removed from the ship, then draft increase or decrease 1 centimeter.
Let's assume this is my ship and with 30 ton weight added, so my draft increase here to here. If it is 1 centimeter, then we called our TPC equal to 30. Now we all know mass equal to V into D, volume into density. So mass of additional slice of water, additional slice means this slice water equal to volume of additional slice of water into density. So let's take volume. Volume of additional slice of water means water plane area into height, that's mean length into width into height. That's called volume. So water plane area like this my ship, water plane area, and height is 1 centimeter. So V equal to, that's mean meter square into height 1 centimeter. We convert it meter square into 1 by 100 meter. Now added displacement, which is before 30 ton, that means mass added displacement. Now added displacement equal to volume. My volume is m square. What m square? WPA, water plane area, m square into 1 by 100 meter into density. The unit of density tonnage per meter cube. Then meter cube, meter and meter square is all gone. Added displacement is denoted by T. T equal to water plane area by 100 into rho. Rho means we denoted its density. So what we get? We get TPC directly proportional with water plane area and it's proportional with density.
Question number 2, center of gravity and center of buoyancy. So center of gravity, the weight of the ship is distribute all over the length and it is acting downwards. So we consider all the weight of the ship acting downwards through a single point is called center of gravity. Now center of buoyancy, it is the center of immersed part of ship hull. If the vessel floating upright, then center of gravity and center of buoyancy are same line. Question number 3, meta center.
Let's assume it's my cross section view of ship and it's my center of gravity CG, which denoted by G, and it is my center of buoyancy which denoted by B. And now center of gravity force, which is weight of the body, is act downwards, which called weight, its act, and buoyancy force, its act upwards, it's denoted by FB. Now if downwards force W equal to FB, then we called the floating body is equilibrium. Then the CG and CB in a same vertical line, that's mean this vertical line, and this line called center line. It's called BG. Now if the ship is tilted in right side, then volume displacement larger in the right side, so buoyancy shifted B to B dash. Let's assume this point and it's a B dash. So my new center of buoyancy B to B dash, but my center of gravity in same position, not changing. Now the new center of buoyancy corresponding line like this. We get a new point. This point is denoted by M, called meta center.
So it's a line through a center of buoyancy of a floating vessel and the corresponding line through a center of buoyancy when the vessel is tilted. When the both line meet at a single point is called meta center. Now we know three types of equilibrium. One is stable, unstable and neutral. Now stable equilibrium, when M is above G, in this case restoring couple is formed of buoyancy force and the weight of the body which tends to turn the body its original position. It's called stable. Number 2, unstable equilibrium. Now M is below G, when in this case in overturning couple is formed the buoyancy force and the weight of this body which is tends to sink the body called unstable, and last neutral when M goes inside with G. In this case, the line of action of buoyancy force and weight of this body are collinear and pass through the same point. Due to this, body neither return to its original position or increase its displacement further. It's called the neutral equilibrium.